Hey people, so I'm back at this. There is this book exhibition that is near Pedamma Guddi station, and take a look at it. It's the very same book exhibition that we covered last time, that the one that is near Jubilee Hills. So it's quite a nice collection, and we have very helpful staff here, who's thing. So I've been here, and you can get books for just like 99 and 199. So that's it's a real steal. So wow, shark attack. Oh, these are books that are good for children, in case they want to read. And then of course these other things. And I've personally come for biographies of some film stars. So that's what. No, I'm telling myself my videos are getting shorter and shorter, but this is as big as it is. These certain things, and you have to look at it, Sudha Murthy. Quite a few, and I just intend to hang around here and pick up a few books. So it's already a 1 minute long video. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.